If you've been out and about tonight, you may have come across a couple showers that we've been seeing moving through the area. This is not the rain that you're expecting moving in later tonight. This is all out ahead of it, these little showers. And actually, we've had a few rumbles actually out in the Cape Hayes Peninsula, moving north up towards Rotunda, probably to the Port Charlotte area, Englewood up into Northport. And then even north of that, we do have a few showers up towards DeSoto County and Sarasota County for you at this hour. Now, south of all of this, though, is Fort Myers Beach, where it's kind of quiet right now, but we do expect as we get in towards tomorrow morning, they will be one of the places we'll be watching for that heavy rain moving on through the area. And speaking of the heavy rain, where is it? Well, not too far away. You can see this broad area of low pressure moving across the Gulf of Mexico. And as we zoom in here, we are already seeing showers and thunderstorms developing not far away offshore. And this is all part of that initial wave that we'll be moving through later here tonight. So let's time this out for you here. Here's midnight. You still see that rain just offshore here, but coming ashore pretty quickly by that 3-4 o'clock time frame. But a lot of the heavy stuff still stays offshore until about, say, 6-7 o'clock. But you're thinking, what about my morning commute? Well, here's 7 o'clock in the morning. You're kind of in this break between waves of energy. You got one of the heavier waves off towards the East Coast. Still some showers around, but still another wave just offshore. So we do expect that push to come probably right around, say, 9-10 o'clock in the morning. And that will be another round of that heavy rain. Then you get another kind of a break in things, a little slower in the middle of the day, and then picks back up until through the evening commute for you. And it looks like it's just going to be a wet night for you there on your Friday and in towards your Saturday morning. But as we get in towards Saturday, we will see the cold front portion of this low move through. And with that, well, additional showers and thunderstorms will be moving on through and becoming a little bit more widespread about the midday hour. But this is not going to be an all-day event because I think we'll finally push on through by about 3-4 o'clock. And you notice by 4 o'clock, things are much quieter. And we do expect that to continue through the rest of the night Saturday and in towards your Sunday. But how much rain we're talking here? Well, this is the latest numbers that we're getting from our latest models. And we're looking at about 1-1.5 inches, say, DeSoto County, Charlotte County. But you get into Lee County, that's when you start to look at, say, 2-3 inches worth of rain. And that becomes, say, 3-4, maybe even 5 inches of rain down into Collier County. And that's where we do have that flood watch in Collier County till Saturday night. Now, this is not the only folks who could see flash flooding, though. We could be watching all the way up into, say, Cape Coral for any flooding potential. So, again, watching closely where we see those heavy downpours, those normal trouble spots may flood a little bit quicker than other spots, again, across the area. Now, also watching the potential for severe weather from Lee County down to Collier County. This is because we could see some few rotating thunderstorms coming ashore, maybe water spout or two. And while we're also watching this tomorrow, I think we could still see a threat for some severe weather as well on Saturday. I think maybe even a little bit better potential out there as well. Now, the thing that we're also watching is gusty winds tomorrow. Do expect those to be about 30 miles an hour, though. If you do get a severe thunderstorm, do expect a little bit higher than that. Now, once this all moves out on Saturday evening, we do actually expect a pretty nice day. Sunday, though, a bit breezy, 79 degrees, sunny skies, then quickly warming back up into the mid-80s by next week. Also watching another round of some isolated showers and thunderstorms for Wednesday and Thursday next week.